Hello ma'am, sir, good day. My name is Teresa Tamagos, 40 years old, married, from North Cotabato, Philippines. I was born on November 28, 1985. I have one daughter, ages 18, and two sons, ages 16 and 11 years old. I am a high school graduate. My first domestic job were in Saudi Arabia for 2.5 years in one employer. I served 7 members in the family. The couple with their 5 kids, ages 3, 7, 10, 12, and 15 years old. My daily routine is cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the 3 years old baby and her siblings too. My second domestic job were in Kuwait for 7 years in one employer. I served 4 members in the family. The couple with their 2 kids, ages 5 and 7 years old. My daily routine is cleaning the house, ironing, laundry, cooking, and sometimes help to bake bread in the bakery. I am a kind-hearted person. Comes from a happy and loving family. If we'll be given a chance to work in your lovely family, I assure do my job and won't break your trust with me. I will love your kids, same how I love my children. And most of all, I will be very happy to serve you. Thank you so much and God bless you.